welcome to Chun's Kitchen. It's rainy season in Korea nowadays. There is a certain food Koreans feel like to have when it's raining because rain dropping sound reminds Koreans cooking sounds of this food. We call this kind of food generally buchingge or jeon, kind of pancake, Korean style pancake. I'm going to make one of them, simple and basic pancakes using potatoes in traditional Korean way. This is all you need for making Korean style potato pancake we call gamja-jeon. I'm going to use metal grater like this. It's quite useful for solid vegetables like potato or carrots. But you have to be careful. Sometimes it hurts your fingers. Well, of course, you can use blender, but somehow texture is a bit different. When just a small piece left, just stop there. Don't grate anymore. Grated potato changes the color quickly, so better hurry. I'm going to divide solid part and juice using strainer like this. After put the grated potato, squeeze it like this slightly. You can see kind of potato flakes like this, and it has moisture. This is the juice from the potatoes. Just leave it 10 or 15 minutes, then you will get the starch. And this solid part get changed its color quickly, so I'm going to wrap with sealing wrap. After 50 minutes, see what happened. If you lean the bowl, you will see the starch on the bottom like this. I will throw away the liquid part. Then you just need to combine those two, the grated potato, solid part, and starch. If you think this batter a bit solid, then you can add water. It's okay. And add a little bit of salt. I just add the salt, only salt, because it's really basic recipe, but you can add any other ingredients you like. Well, ready for pan frying. Normally, you can get big size one from the restaurant, but I'm going to make small size ones to get, crispy part more. When you make Korean style pancake like buchingge, just use enough oil and make batter thin. In Korea, if you go to famous mountains, you can see some restaurants around the entrance of hiking course, and they usually sell some certain kinds of food, and this kamja-jeon is one of them, quite popular, especially with Korean rice wine. 막걸리. Anyway, when the edge becomes golden brown, you can turn it over. Korean style pancakes, 부침개 or jeon, taste best right after you make it. Especially this potato one, I recommend to eat right away after you make it. Well, it's done. I'm going to serve with some kind of Korean style dipping sauce. I made 6 little kamjajeon with 2 potatoes. I'm going to make simple soy sauce dipping. Soy sauce, mustard, and vinegar. And I usually add a little bit of garlic, but it's quite optional. This is great by itself, but today I'm going to enjoy this with Korean rice wine, 막걸리. I hope there's a time I can introduce Korean rice wine. Anyway, if you see the bottom, you can see the white solid part. Have to shake slightly before serving. We usually do not use scissors for cutting this into small pieces. Just use chopsticks like this. And dip with soy sauce. And then drink. It's really good combination. This pancake goes well with white wine too.